Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and use Inspect Element and View Page Source in Microsoft Edge. And now let's get started. To view the page source of any web page in Microsoft Edge, simply navigate to the page you're interested in. Then, perform a right-click anywhere in the open space of the web page. You will see an option that says View Page Source. Clicking on this will open the source code of the page in a new tab. For inspecting elements, the process is very similar. After right-clicking on the page, you will find an option that says Inspect. Selecting this option will open the Developer Tools panel, allowing you to examine and analyze individual elements on the web page. While the option might be labeled simply as Inspect, it serves the same function as Inspect Element. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.